Candace, the Edgy Veg, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I'm going to go and eat at the Vegandale Brewery, which is here in Toronto. It's in an area of Toronto that's called Parkdale, also known kind of like colloquially also called Vegandale to certain people because they have a bunch of different vegan restaurants on the same street in the same area. This place that we're going is a brewery, and B, they have a secret menu option, which is a Big Mac, a vegan Big Mac. I thought we'd have to give that a try, and I want to kind of taste a couple different things that they offer as well, and just like give a fun review, show you guys, you know, all the great things that you can eat as a vegan. It doesn't always have to be, you know, quinoa bowls and kale chips. It can be really fun foods like this as well. What's the deal with Vegandale Brewery? They have a secret menu item. It is the vegan Big Mac, and we are going to order it today and try it out along with a bunch of other things and try out the vegan friendly beers that they have here. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. And if you like these kind of restaurant reviews, restaurant showcases, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below where you'd like me to go next. In Toronto, we used to have a Doomies. That's why it says Doomies here. Then they opened up the brewery and kind of amalgamated the two businesses. So a lot of the favorite items from the Doomies menu is now on the Vegandale Brewery menu. What we ordered for appetizers were the mac and cheese balls, the chicken fingers. I always have to try the chicken fingers when I go to a new place. And then also fried avocado. And they came with barbecue sauce, which their barbecue sauce is really good. And then also a ranch dressing. And the ranch dressing is really nice and creamy as well. All right, our appetizers have arrived. I have my bib on.
Which one are you most excited to try?
Mac and cheese balls.
I like that. It's like, the breading's nice and crunchy. I was expecting it to be a bit soggy because it's tossed in sauce. Yeah, it's really crispy considering that it's tossed in sauce. The ranch is really good. It's nice and creamy. I find sometimes the ranch that like vegan restaurants put together can be kind of watery. Just nice and creamy. How are the mac and cheese balls?
That's the best like vegan mac and cheese I've tried so far.
I usually don't like a lot of vegan mac and cheese. Like at all. But this one's like nice and subtle. Oh, I like the barbecue sauce.
Yep.
I loved the mac and cheese balls. I don't like a lot of vegan mac and cheese. I just find that it always just tastes like something else, except for mine. But these ones, they were nice. They didn't really fall apart. Dense and crunchy, not too oily, which was amazing.
That's nice. It's light dark beer.
So this is the IPA. I think there's like some aggressive name for it, but I don't remember what it is. It's a nice light IPA. Like usually IPAs are like pretty strong, and I usually don't really like them. So in case you didn't know, I do not need to have this dirty ass napkin in my hand. Not all beers, not all wines, and not all spirits are vegan. Having a nice vegan beer that's not filtered through like isinglass or doesn't have any additives to it, for clarifying, is a nice change of pace. For our mains, we decided to order the crispy chicken burger and then also the off-menu vegan Big Mac. The Big Mac was so big, I could barely get my mouth around it. Okay, so we have the crispy chicken burger with a side of vegan mayo and regular fries. And then I thought we might as well go all out with the vegan Big Mac. We got animal fries. So if you don't know what animal fries are, it's caramelized onion, also cheese, and then like a Thousand Island style dressing, almost like a Big Mac sauce. All right, let's take a look at this thing. We have the sesame seed bun, which is great. The patties are pretty thick. I feel like with a Big Mac, like they're really thin patties, so then you can actually get your mouth around it, whereas this, I think we're gonna have to cut into pieces. But you've got the Big Mac sauce, you have the onions, pickles, lettuce, and then 3 portions of a bun and 2 burger patties. Let me see if I can get my mouth around it. Oh, It's dripping.
There's so many.
She's a juicy one. Okay. I mean, it should be cut into pieces. It's so big. You definitely have to cut it down into pieces and eat it with like a knife and fork. Because getting your mouth around that is a lot. What? It is. Okay, first thoughts. I think it's amazing that you can like go out as a vegan and like order these options, and it's kind of fun that it's like a secret menu item, so if you're in the know, you know to order it. It's not just something that they have all the time on the menu, which is a really fun experience. It replicates it really well, like the layers are the same, you know, all the elements are the same, and I think it's amazing that you can go out as a vegan now and get something like this, because you couldn't do that like even like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. There's something to this cheese sauce. The cheese sauce here is really good. All right, I've got the chicken burger here. Oh, I need to add the mayo. Duh. What is a chicken burger without mayo?
Gives me McChicken vibes.
It is. It's exactly like McChicken. Except with cheese sauce. This is the best vegan chicken burger. Look, I'm not going to be a graceful lady eating junk food. This is the best vegan chicken burger. This reminds me of a McChicken that I used to have as a kid. Blow out your candle.
It's quite the rendition.
So those are the fried Oreos, right?
Fried Oreos with ice cream and chocolate sauce and a bonfire on the side for an ambiance. Okay, look at this delicious deep fried Oreo. I appreciate a very good vanilla ice cream. Want it? Can't have it. It's good or hot? All right, so thank you so much to Vegan Dale Brewery for hosting us today. We had a very wonderful and filling lunch. I'm so full. I'm gonna go home and take a nap. All right, guys, if you love to watch me and my friends eat different types of vegan food, let me know in the comment section below where you want me to hit up next and what kind of recipes you want me to tackle. If you have any serious ideas, we're always open to listen to what you guys want, so let us know in the comment section. And as always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It helps other people see the video, and then maybe they'll want to be vegan, and then the world will be a better place, and then everybody's good, especially the animals. Yay! Yay! All right, I'm gonna go, bye!